Hello friends, welcome to my new post. In this post, you will discover 50 fascinating North American freshwater fish names, along with their images and descriptions. I hope you enjoy learning about these incredible fish. Let's get started. Largemouth bass. A freshwater fish with a large mouth, commonly found in lakes, rivers, and ponds across North America. Smallmouth bass. A freshwater bass known for its smaller mouth and strong fighting ability when caught by anglers. Rainbow trout. A type of trout that has a reddish stripe along each side, or the flesh of this fish eaten as food. Brook trout. A beautifully patterned freshwater fish that prefers cool, clear streams and lakes, native to the United States and Canada. Brown trout. A freshwater fish with brown coloration and dark spots, popular among sport fishers, originally native to Europe but widely introduced across North America. Lake trout. Any of a number of fishes of the salmon family which live in large lakes and are highly prized as a game fish and as food. Northern pike. A long-bodied predatory freshwater fish with a pointed snout and large teeth of both Eurasia and North America, valued as a game fish. Muskellunge, also known as muskies. A powerful freshwater predator, often called the fish of 10,000 casts, found in freshwater lakes and rivers throughout parts of North America. Walleye. A large, dark yellow or light green fish that lives in rivers in North America, known for its excellent eyesight and tasty flesh. Yellow perch. A small freshwater fish with a high spiny dorsal fin, dark vertical bars on the body, and orange lower fins. Bluegill. A common North American freshwater fish of the sunfish family, with a deep body and bluish cheeks and gill covers. Pumpkin seed. A small, edible, brightly colored freshwater fish of the sunfish family with orange and blue markings, native to North America. Channel catfish. A common North American freshwater catfish with whisker-like barbels, a forked tail, and a pale blue to olive back covered with dark spots. Flathead catfish. A large yellow and brown catfish common in the central USA, known for having a flattened head and a projecting lower jaw. Black crappie. A freshwater panfish in the sunfish family, with dark speckles scattered across its body. White crappie. A North American freshwater fish of the sunfish family with vertical dark bars and a silvery body, the male of which builds a nest and guards the eggs and young. White bass. A North American freshwater food and game bass known for its silver body and striped sides. Striped bass. A silver fish with dark horizontal stripes along the upper sides, found along the coasts and in the rivers of North America. Freshwater drum. An edible drum of the freshwaters of North and Central America, capable of producing drumming sounds using special muscles. American eel. A long snake-like fish that spends much of its life in freshwater rivers and lakes. Rock bass. A North American freshwater percoid fish, commonly found around rocks, logs, and underwater structures, an important food fish. Red deer sunfish, also called red deer shellcracker, a freshwater sunfish of the lower Mississippi Valley and southeastern states, having the gill cover margined with scarlet. Green sunfish. A colorful, aggressive freshwater fish with green and blue markings. Warmouth. A hardy freshwater fish that can survive in a variety of habitats found throughout the eastern United States. Long-nosed gar, a prehistoric-looking fish with a distinctively long, narrow snout full of sharp teeth. Short-nosed gar, a freshwater fish with hard, diamond-shaped scales and a moderately short, broad snout. Spotted gar, an elongated, cylindrical fish covered with dark spots on its body and fins, featuring a long snout filled with numerous sharp teeth. Bowfin, a predatory North American freshwater fish with a large, blunt head, an elongated body and a long dorsal fin, known for its ability to survive for long periods out of water. Sauger, a slender North American pike perch with silver eyes related to walleye, which is active at twilight and at night, valued as a food and game fish. White sucker, a bottom-feeding fish that feeds on insects and small aquatic organisms, inhabiting the upper Midwest and Northeast in North America. Creek chub, a small North American freshwater fish, commonly found in rocky and gravel-bottom streams, feeding on insect larvae, small fish and mollusks. Common shiner, a small freshwater fish with shiny silver scales. Golden shiner, a small silvery freshwater minnow with a bright golden coloration, native to eastern North America and commonly used as live bait in sport fishing. Fathead minnow, a small freshwater fish with an enlarged soft head, commonly used as bait. Black bullhead, a North American bullhead catfish with barbels around its mouth, a broad head, spiny fins and no scales, capable of surviving in warm, muddy and low oxygen waters. Yellow bullhead, a medium-sized catfish with yellowish coloring, a rounded tail and barbels around its mouth, often showing yellow olive to dark mottle coloration depending on its habitat. Brown bullhead, a hardy North American catfish with 8 long barbels around its mouth and sharp spines on its dorsal and pectoral fins, widely distributed across freshwater habitats. Lake whitefish, a cold water fish found in the Great Lakes and northern regions of North America up to Alaska, valued for its mild flavor and commercial importance. Cisco, a freshwater fish commonly found in deep northern lakes. Burbot, a long-bodied fish that prefers cold freshwater environments. Lake sturgeon, a large ancient fish covered with bony plates on its back, sides and belly instead of scales, often stirring up mud and silt on river and lake bottoms. Paddlefish, a large primitive bony fish related to the sturgeon of the Mississippi River, having a long paddle-like projection to the snout. Moon eye, a herring-like silvery fish named for its large reflective eyes that lives in the south of the Great Lakes region of North America. Goldeye, a North American plupioid fish with yellowish eyes, silvery sides and a dark blue back. Red horse sucker, a bottom-feeding fish of North American rivers and lakes, with males displaying red tail fins during the breeding season. Lake chub, a small freshwater fish commonly found in cool lakes. Cutthroat trout, a game fish recognized by the red or orange markings beneath its jaw, usually found in high mountain streams near the northwest North American coast. Arctic grayling, a beautiful silver-colored fish with coarse scales, perhaps best known for their large, colorful dorsal fin. Kokanee salmon, a landlocked sockeye salmon that never leaves fresh water and spawns in the tributaries of its home lake, turning from silvery to bright red during the breeding season. Mountain whitefish, also called Rocky Mountain whitefish, a freshwater whitefish inhabiting cool mountain streams and lakes of the western US and Canada.
Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, be sure to leave like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.